Hello, welcome to a short walkthrough of Skua, a product suite for airport environment safety management. Airport safety managers across the globe face challenges in managing wildlife and foreign objects. They can be broadly classified into three parts. 1. Data collection in the field. 2. Assimilation of collected data into meaningful insights. 3. Formulate a scientific approach towards environment management. Firstly, biggest challenges faced on the field while collecting data are its accuracy, accurate location of incident, and time to capture it. In addition to this, a field staff also must undergo multiple communication round trips with authorities. Most often, it is very difficult to collect accurate and authentic data via currently employed techniques. Secondly, it takes loads of effort to assimilate the data collected to turn into meaningful insights. The metrics used for data collection must be crafted very thoughtfully. In most cases, this is not looked from a holistic angle. Inadequate and insufficient data parameters makes it difficult to correlate and assimilate. Right data is very crucial in generating meaningful patterns for wildlife and foreign objects. Thirdly, for the management, inducting the resource into current system is time-consuming. Also, converting the field data as irrefutable facts for serving legal compliance is cumbersome. For the management, it is very important to compile the data into actionable points to mitigate the risks within airport. In most of the cases, the gap in the data works against these requirements. Skua addresses all these concerns in a meaningful and enjoyable way. Skua's solution is built in three parts. First, the iPhone app that is used for collecting and transmitting field data to a hosted server over internet connection. Second, the server software which receives and translates them into well-crafted reports and dashboard items. Lastly, the web-based user interface designed using latest HTML5 standards for monitoring activities on field in near real time. Skua app runs only on iPhone. The number of iPhones must match the number of observers on the field. The server software is capable of running on Macintosh, Windows and Linux. However, we recommend using Ubuntu distribution of Linux for cost-effective and great performance. To successfully receive the data from field, the server must have internet connection and a static IP address assigned to it. The web user interface can be used from any digital gadget that has internet connectivity and supports HTML5. First step towards using Skua is to configure the observation area of a runway. Field staffs monitor the wildlife activities inside the boundaries of observation area. Once the observation area is marked, Skua automatically splices into 24 grids, which are further divided into 130 microgrids, which totals to 3,120 microgrids. This enables Skua to capture the wildlife location information very accurately. Once a bird activity is noticed in a particular grid, the field staff captures this via Skua app. The captured data is instantly enriched with location information relied by GPS satellites and relayed to the web server over the internet. The Skua app is continuously in sync with the server, which is streaming information to web clients connected from anywhere. Skua generates key analytical insights on height, location, species, number, time series, and attraction factor related to wildlife. These reports help in understanding the fundamentals about the very reason for presence of wildlife, safety windows, which in turn helps in formulating scientific methods to manage wildlife. In addition to these, Skua helps in analyzing foreign object history and areas most prone to them in visual representation over the map itself. Top of everything, Skua sports a trendy dashboard, which provides a sneak peek into everything that is happening within the airport in near real time. Skua also provides a self-updating dashboard specifically designed for ATC to inform crucial wildlife data to pilots easily. The ATC dashboard is based on visual design models, so that controllers can quickly grasp the wildlife activities related to a particular runway. iPhone app is offered free of cost through Apple App Store. The server software can either be purchased as one-time buyout for $4,999 or availed through managed services. The managed services are structured into monthly plans. However, we are flexible to come up with payment options that suits your needs. The cost of managed services do not include server hosting charges. Web-based interface comes packaged with server software and is free. All our plans are very flexible, so that one can migrate between them anytime. We will cover the cost structure in detail in a few moments. For the clarity in costing structure, we have broken most of the constituents so that there are no hidden elements to it. For all types for purchase, the support is offered over email, with varying turnaround time. By default, the server software is bundled with 5 client access licenses, CAL. Through Skua server software, unlimited number of field users can be created. However, number of CAL restricts the concurrent iPhone users relaying data to server. This limit can be relaxed by purchasing and applying additional license. Skua by default allows only one runway to be configured for management. Similar to CALs, this limit can also be relaxed by purchasing additional license. Thank you very much for participating in this short walkthrough of Skua. If you have any queries further, please do write to us at m@via1.in or call us on country code 9194827028006.